Hello and welcome to Physics Problems One by One.
So here is a problem. As always, read it, maybe once, maybe twice, and then pause the video and try to solve it yourself.
So today we have something, so this is an aircraft, this is this plane, and of course if I try to draw a picture this would be something like this, and would be the surfaces and there would be fuselage, but I'm not drawing this picture. I am telling you that I'm looking from the side. But I know that this is surface S. This line that goes in this direction is invisible for me. And I know that this is on the angle alpha. And let's put this surface, the projection of the wing on this surface. So this would be S sine alpha. Of course, from triangle I have to have this multiplied by this, but also there is this width, because S equal this length multiplied by width, L multiplied by V. If I look from the top, this would be my width, the width of the wing, and L is the length as I see it from the side. But if I'm looking from here, I don't see width because it's all there. But S equal L multiplied by W. So if I'm looking on the side, this of course would be L, and this would be L sine alpha. But if I look on the surface, it would be L sine alpha multiplied by W. L multiplied by W is S, so I put it in front, so this is S sine alpha. So it's kind of projection on the surface, on this surface, right? So let's then say that this is this surface. Everything that's in this surface is being hit by molecules. And all we have to do is calculate how many molecules. But we have time, delta t, because we're all interested in what will happen during this period of delta t. So let's imagine that we have this S sine alpha, and we have this cylinder that length V delta t. V is velocity of the molecule. If the molecule is here, it will hit this surface, it will hit this wing. If the molecule is here, it will travel V delta t, and it will hit this surface and it will hit this wing. If the molecule is here, boom, it's not reaching and it's not contributing to our force. So all we have to do is calculate the number of molecules that's sitting in this volume. And this volume is S sine alpha multiply V delta t. This is volume. So N equals rho, and rho is density, multiplied by V. So N equals rho by V, V is here and rho is here. And this is all we have. So we now know N, the number of molecules, and I don't know where to put it, but let's put it here. N, the number of molecules, and it would be rho V, because this is V, S, then of course delta T, and of course sine alpha. So this is how many molecules is sitting in this cylinder. Of course, if alpha equals 0, for example, this would be this, and the volume would be 0. This is just a flat line. We have to have a volume, that's why we have to have this angle of attack, and then this is some volume in front of the wing that is being fetched by the wing as it travels for the time delta t. Or if we're looking from the system coordinate related to the wing, there would be V multiplied by delta t is the height of this cylinder, and during this period of time, delta t, everyone that's sitting on the cylinder and traveling with the same speed v, and this is our primitive assumption, that every molecule is approaching our aircraft with the same speed v. Of course it would not be the case in real life, but this is like, don't forget, it's not aircraft engineering, this is just an idea to show you the power of second and third law of motion and abstraction and the modeling. But it gives you a remarkably close result. So anyway, so that makes sense. Alpha equals 0 makes no sense. Of course, alpha equal 90 degrees. Well, this is this wing that travels this way, there is no lift. All the force is this direction, it's only drag. And of course, force, if alpha equal 90 degrees, it would be 0. Sine 90 degrees is 1, but cosine 90 degrees is 0. So the force would be 0 in vertical direction. All the force would be a drag one. But anyway, n is the number of molecules inside this cylinder. And I will stop right here, and in the next video we will put it all combined and we will get some result and we will try to analyze it. But we are already very close to receive the total force yourself if you think a little bit about this, because you have everything you need right here. Anyway, please like, please subscribe, so other people, the more likes and more subscribes, the more people know about this channel, the more problems I'm interested to put on, and the more interesting is conversations that we will have here, the more videos you will see. So it's in your best interest to like, subscribe, bell, and also you can have the question, put it in the comment line. Thank you.